Hello, welcome back to my channel, Young Black Misses, where we talk all about marriage, money, and food. And today's topic, we're going to talk about vegan meal planning. And I want to talk about this topic because I have friends that always say, girl, what you do is complicated, but if you could break it down or show me how you do it, I'm interested. So if that's you and you're interested in how to meal plan, whether it be vegan or whatever diet you're on, I think these tips that I'm going to offer will be very beneficial to you. So stay tuned. And while you're here, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And make sure you hit the bell button for the next time I upload. All right, stay tuned. So before I start to meal plan, what I like to do is just assess everything that I have, right? So first I'm looking at my things that are in the pantry. So my sweet potatoes, onions, got some shallots, I think is how you say it. Garlic, of course, is a must. Red onions, red potatoes. Then I have my kale that I like to keep in here. I have some spinach, but it's on its last leg there. Some, like a little bit left of cauliflower from another meal that I was eating off of. And then I have, some fruits, apples, lemons, cucumber, my avocados that are going bad, assortment of beans that are here. That really helps me go, okay, Morgan, now what can you do with this information, right? What can you make with this information? And so this is the first step that you'll want to do, is really just preview what you already have in your pantry, in your refrigerator. I know in my refrigerator I also have some tomatoes and just random sauces. There's some Thai sauce in there. I have this Marcella that I have. So step one is doing an inventory. All right, so now that I've reviewed everything that I have, then I went through and kind of thought, okay, what can I make with everything that I have in front of me? And I jotted down a few things that I could make. And if you're new to cooking, or if you're new to veganism in general, Pinterest could be assistance, YouTube could be assistance. I hope that eventually this channel will be assistance for when you're brainstorming what you have in your pantry already to help you decide what else you need to get from the store. Because all this stuff that was before, placed before you was, just in my pantry, right? So I'm then thinking, okay, what do I need to do next? So after you've analyzed what you've had, then you can do a little research, or you can just think, like, for example, this deconstructed sushi bowl. Well, I have cucumber, I have plenty of rice, and I have edamame in the freezer. So I'm like, okay, I can make this. A grain bowl, I have some feiru, I think is how you say it. So I was like, yeah, I definitely want to make that. Tacos, because I have pecans, and I like to make pecan and lentil taco, and just so on. So then I kind of went through here and said, okay, these are the things that I can make. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a whole week's worth of food. Now, because I'm being home a lot, I should probably think about breakfast. Usually I eat leftovers for lunch, but breakfast I should definitely think about when I'm at the store. So we can get to that thought later. So that will be step 2. Determining what you have is step 1. Then step 2 is saying, okay, from what I have, what can I make? And if you want to take it like some advanced level type stuff, is you could, while you're doing your research beyond, YouTube, Pinterest, that type of thing, you can literally look at the ads and help that guide you a little bit as well. And just seeing what's on sale and what's in season, right? So after you've got your list of maybe 5 to 7 or however many times you want to cook, I cook every day, how many times you want to cook, then you'll write out your items, you write out your recipes, things that you like, and then you're going to kind of highlight the key points that are in each recipe. So cucumbers, carrots, chickpeas. I really like chickpeas, so you're gonna see that a lot. There's a spicy mayo, and there is seaweed snacks. And rice. And edamame. Do I add guacamole to that? I think I do. I think there's guacamole. Okay. You don't have to put like the seasonings in there. Grain bowl. So rice or a grain. I think I'm going to use the farro in this case. I want a sweet potato and spinach. And I want to do sweet potato, spinach. I want some mushrooms in there too. So got a veg. I think that's good. I'm trying to decide if I want to add a bean. Maybe I'll put that in here. Bean. I don't know. Probably not. And then I also need a good dressing. And I'm thinking a ginger dressing would be good. Okay, so tacos. So we have okay, so that's really step 3. Then identifying the items, the menu items, and then identifying the ingredients themselves. So what I do from here is I'll go back and I'll determine what I have and what I don't have to make a shopping list. Okay. Okay, so from there, I can just determine, now I make this mayo myself, so that's just the thing I'm gonna have to make. I think I have the ingredients to do it, so I just have to make mayo, right? But I know I need avocados, mushrooms, and it looks like I'm probably need like 3 or 4 of them bad boys. Avocados, mushrooms, pepper, maybe broccoli or something like that. Oh no. Don't judge that spelling. Breadcrumbs. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, and then I'm headed off to the store, right? Afterwards, I then let my husband decide what days of the week he wants to eat whatever, so he can get involved into it. All right, I hope that step-by-step explanation of how a meal plan is helpful to you. And I'm actually headed off to the grocery store right now to grab those last few things that I need. And then my husband will fill this bad boy out, and it's going on the side of the refrigerator, okay? That's just how we do it. But it's also an opportunity for, if you have kids, to get the kids involved and show them what you're thinking about for the next week, and just encourage them to really get excited about what they're eating. I hope this has been beneficial. If you've enjoyed this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, guys. Peace!